Sunday, and today I'm reviewing the book The First Cat in Space Ate Pizza. So let's look at this first. This is a cat who got blasted into space and teamed up with the queen and a robot to save the moon from being eaten by rats, alien rats. And so at the end they figure out they're not doing it for evil. They were just doing it. They were just doing it because their teeth won't stop growing. They have to chew on the moon, but they were trying to make something to destroy stuff, and they might have thought about destroying parts of their teeth that kept growing.
So, Anna-san, how many stars would you give this book?
4 stars, because we can't understand what the cat's saying. They're only saying meow. And with the riddle part, we didn't understand what he said.
Okay, so would you recommend other children read this book?
Yeah, read this book. But please like and subscribe. We changed our goal to 10 because 2 million is too much. 10 subscribers, please. We'll have a special video.
Right, Zoe? Book.
Come on, Zoe, you annoying little sister.